Hi there, I'm Phil Provins, owner of Top Floor in San Diego, California, and I'm going to show you how to undercut a door frame when installing laminate flooring. When it comes to installing your floor at a door jamb, you're going to have to undercut the casing and the jamb itself. You want to use a flat, flexible saw with good sharp teeth. If you use dull teeth on your saw, it's going to take a long time to get through the jamb. Take a scrap piece of flooring, set it up next to the casing, place your flexible saw onto the wood like so. Use this flooring as a gauge for how high you're going to cut, and just start cutting back and forth. It takes a little bit of time, but boy, you got to believe me, if you don't have sharp teeth on your saw, it's going to be a lot of extra work. Continue to cut until you've gone all the way into the wall. Remove the pieces that you've cut off, probably vacuum or sweep is a good idea, and then check the space with your scrap piece. Make sure that you've created enough clearance in there. Again, the key point to remember here is sharp teeth on your saw. Once again, I'm Phil Provins, owner of Top Floor in San Diego, and I just showed you how to undercut a door frame when installing laminate flooring.